Ner malaken yambia kamal kanur online TV channel tekon keler mijadit me bekona lingwasa me te karache mishalat akume IGAD IGAD Intergovernmental Authority on Development rei wicha ka Africa rai chikan lat gwasa me bana jalinkel kan kono nyamare ler kana me mi jira majidit goreje en wo jinderje nyak nasen ko kien ko de ler titide kan shamala shop gore no jin bi subscribe ke bi notification bell bi jetwany ko mete ler mi shibrej ba shamala shop keje bana mishalat gwasa me redul ka mishadul IGAD Intergovernmental Authority on Development kene tiga jia fokaten kone charan yala kan wo mitega which can mite win michi gagrede kitega conflict kam dur tindrede la kan betin bikan mal bikan gorno bikan alat ban man chakulat gwasa me ken ka dopen cha Dr. Yang Machar cha ne ka cha yen ka ja take emergency meeting michi kana conducted la emergency meeting amo shika writing ka do badana de kirma yadit dara mal dara jenonga jere wech ka South Sudan janana gorno bokolu nyaka yekel reyle kana me bajalat ka dubro do badnya ma thoknath ka kora bana ura cha ka to English IGAD kene Dr. Yang Machar neka de kalun de ka wojre te jen dana shaka nangten tera mugoro de jayen ngaine je gwano wotama chana chaka yen ngut tanat ketjen tanat chaka lunyane tegne de pa yen bagwasa me an wala shanga wal jokka pa dok ron kinan dangraw de jan dangraw de di tega tanat sha yen ka shanga waro ka pa dok ron kinan dangraw de jan dangraw raw de di jala pan pan ke Wednesday jan chenge dane yan ka ram kel kaja MP dung Nasser mila low marker rewish ka South Sudan chaje jarame dane chayen gwazame Intergovernmental Authority on Development ala IGAD ka shanka diok ka jok ala shanka warau ka pai diok chikan la dunene SPLM IO diaal ka malun ka pet ka ne to ka lun ka pet we te chakalun kapet de which we koranyok alo de riak da nyomu we kamoniam kira kore dane chitwo ka juba karon kina dangra wi do wel jok to rode medna le de chede to ko gwade dane yen kirma yadin me yen kwartan yen gwade dane ko we rode tupten no mo na kejen kwimalam rom ketine malala dia daga chagwano de na de wukam yan ga ke ji ga raj molat yan kane Dr. Yang Machar ka kor kami chikoto kam jichen bor mi gwe ken go Dr. Yang Machar kene jichen bor no metken kashi jichen bor chalar no shine met ke SPLM IO ki SSPDF kore chito kam jichen bor kene kuma SSPDF Raiwi kana ka Great Apana State General Medita long Raiwich ka South Sudan keliu chejetok chaguje no na me mu we wonyam bu kor barem na rode kuje mo chijega chikan lar no jin salbke me yadit ka kwire ga men chetok te lev den munyo da gwano Dr. Yang Machar kana je kwara no tekan ga tetten kuje mo lunka ka berar ci gaare guje no en kirma yadit general de ke gang jen ko cha general cha jo tiampin kade gwase dane walat ki evacuation ten rewe kana ser me chiren yaliwan la unimis me che nyur ko de kwar la general dung SSPDF me chitene kanin dang wan re tanga kire de baba ko gorjen o dara barar ka jana gorko nakaje chuta kanin dangware de men me sha mal cha jalat me chinaren ling e chinar lingaje wa chure nyal chubare nyal le jibun kanyam wate ga denyun tegreda chu jejen bor chu ja dwan ma jan gwasmo chu chwa yu dwa de chu ro de je ke chang ro dien me sha agreement kula do sha uri shal kama jur sha yo kamrare torbiel je SPLM IO kene jejen bor kel alo chikana pal ku ka lim ni renyal ku kene den content cha agreement mo cha jalat kene ne ga dangwel kel an gwasmo mi shi na matuwa shi renyal de shop chetaga bondo dien ke jan bon SSPDF do dien the children tawa kan taken ka dubab do dien ne jan kendi raran gwasmo ka shu kan renyal kel ka jejen bor ka SPLM IO ka de ne SSPDF tin konen kwalnang no de nang renyal you can you go and nakane diala tokel mishi shilling and madio ka jejen bor ay kana la dere ngach an gwasmo chu jejen bor shu ma chu lu ka chu general mpa chu nek ba ni gwadan tegatan ajan liya general no chu kor yu to gono no chu ram kel ka jiyun mi chu nek ka chu renyal chu ro chu gop chu jen no mo cha gu jeno chi kir mayardit chelo de jat ya goro no benetin kontin laga nasir ki Nuer konen to Kiir SPLM IO beka yiɛn na me mishalat karoy mishalat de ji IGAD mishamat pinyaken kwardan la kwa di Djibouti mala kwari gade pa kwandi yoja President President Ismail Omar Kir mayardit jogo no lunaitin chi yiɛn ka ji SPLM IO Nathan kontin la bon Dr. Yang Machalo inke ko kanere kontin ku yana te ka dol kitin ka mat kitin ka lin ko yana kontin ku peace la tan koron kin dang ro wido wal badak ku ja molo inka ko tel minyo dia gwano kan ni teken ka tet katin kono lat karodian tel der mi chanen ka mi dit dundo tel minyo da ka ku ja molo inka chen man ko yeto ko create upon state kam jejen bor kana SSPDF na mo account jin ye mediation bor ko kan yero link ka jejen bor chicken request kan la gor kan deployment ka dejen chalga unified force do no she turn down ke shelo ko kujmo telemen nang kum SPLM IO ten anyok aname chala do shamale dane cha tanya la revitalize agreement me chalat karun kin dang rewel badak cha yarba ku kujamo lonyane dialan kon tin la ne SPLM IO ko de mal de jata wana shi ga chicken ngade condem la yeranda na cha yer mal ka ku me chalat no cha ma cha de le yore we ka so Sudan aduno cha kan kana lon ka me kap je chong so anyok chikan la no de helicopter dung UN and dani chao bare de je investigate ta dan to geja ka ngai ken ba mandan na kimanan le harora gwaye shana je link to ke english do bran chikan ngor kenya The Intergovernmental Authority on Development on Wednesday called for the immediate release of officials allied with South Sudan First by President Riek Machar, warning that their detention risked derailing the country's fragile peace agreement amid escalating tension following deadly clash in the Upper Nile state. The East African Regional Bloc, in a communique issued after an emerging virtual summit chaired by the Djibouti President Ismail Omar Guelleh, urged President Salva Kiir mayardit government to free the detainees unless credible evidence justify legal proceeding conducted transparently. The statement did not name those held but noted arrests at paralyzed security mechanism under the 2018 revitalized peace agreement, which ended a 5-year civil war between Kiir and Machar's faction. The move followed clashes on March 7th in Nasser County between forces loyal to Kiir mayardit and Machar, and a force linked to Machar, which were known by the name Wyoming. We killed South Sudanese Army Commander General Major Duk and United Nations staffer Future during evacuations. Kiir administration subsequently detained multiple Machar allies, including Petroleum Minister Honorable Potkang Chol and senior military official. The IGAD condemned the violence and ordered its ceasefire monitoring body, the Ceasefire and Transitional Security Arrangement, monitoring and verification mechanism to investigate the clashes and an attack on UN helicopters. It is also planned to deploy a ministerial team to South Sudanese capital in Juba to assess stalled peace talk and push for inclusive dialogue. The 2018 peace deal has faced repeated setbacks, including delayed election, unmet security reforms, and persistent mistrust between Kiir and Machar. While praising their joint appeal for calm after the Nasser violence, IGAD expressed deep concern over ceasefire violations and urged accelerated unification of army forces and drafting of a permanent constitution. Regional mediation efforts, including Kenya Taman Initiative, aimed at engaging non-signatory groups, were endorsed. Religious and civil society leaders were also urged to support a cancellation too. Ugandan officials attended the summit as observers, while envoys from the UN and African Union emphasized aligning international support. IGAD wanted South Sudan's stability hangs on implementing overdue reforms, stressing that dialogue and discussion remain the only means for resolving differences. The bloc did not specify consequences for non-compliance, but announced plans for continued high-level engagement to avert a return to war. Reacting to the IGAD statement, South Sudanese observer Edmund Yakan described the outcome of the regional summit as encouraging, but urged the country leader to act swiftly to implement stalled peace commitments. Yakan said the Intergovernmental Authority on Development, which is IGAD, summit could reinvigorate South Sudanese peace process if President Salva Kiir Mayardit and First Vice President Dr. Riek Machar fully adhere to their obligation under the Constitution and the 2018 peace deal. He identified a severe trust deficit among the unity government leadership as the primary obstacle to completing critical reforms and transitional tasks under the peace deal. This lack of cohesion, he argues, has allowed the peace spoiler to obstruct stability effort within South Sudan. General Jarana Chakwena na me katanda na len ngwane rodien gaja ji galat kan no Dr. Machar ne ka dial kalon kare te jien cheng men ngode chikir che kalon kamela de kam ajana na chalat ne biata gamal bye bye.